In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove slide design in PowerPoint. Whether you've inherited a presentation with a design that's just not your style, or you simply want to start fresh without any predefined layout, I'll guide you carefully through each step of the process. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This may sound basic, but it's an essential first step. Ensure that your PowerPoint software is up and running with no issues. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to your specific presentation file that you want to modify. If it's a new presentation, create a blank one ready for you to work on. Next, once you have your presentation open, direct your attention to the Design tab located at the top of the ribbon interface. This tab is crucial because it contains all the design toolsets you'll need, from themes to slide size adjustments. With the Design tab open, you'll see various theme options displayed across the top menu. Now, within the Design tab, you'll find a section labeled Office. This section includes a variety of standard themes that PowerPoint offers. These themes vary from colourful, vibrant designs to more subdued styles. What you'll want to focus on is resetting your slides to the most basic theme available. Here's how you do it. Look for the theme that has a plain white background, which is typically the first option displayed. By selecting this white theme, you are essentially stripping out any fancy backgrounds, colours or design elements that might be present in your current slides. This is a fundamental step in ensuring that all existing slide designs are removed, leaving you with a clean slate to either redesign as you wish or maintain a minimalist look for your presentation. Remember, it's always a good idea to scan through your slides after applying the white theme to ensure that no remnants of the previous design linger. Check each slide individually for consistency. If your presentation uses special objects or text boxes, make sure these are still in place as needed, since changing the design can sometimes alter arrangements unexpectedly. Finally, once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to save your presentation. You can do this by clicking on File at the top left corner, scrolling down to Save As, and selecting your desired location. And there you have it, you've successfully removed the slide design from your PowerPoint presentation. This simple process gives you full control over the aesthetic of your slides, allowing for easy customization or the simplest presentation style possible. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.